Hi, my name is Uzman Safi, topic HLVE 3533. I'm here at North Adelaide today for my instructional video skill. I'm going to show step by step how to play a technical and tactical front foot drive in cricket. Technically playing front foot drive, it required three main steps: stance, back left, forward stride, impact and follow through. Stance and back lift is important to prepare the body for movement by maintaining an even distribution of the weight across both feet to ensure stability and encourage a fast and efficient transfer of the weight either forward or back to achieve a front or back foot stroke. The batter zal in center of a mess is positioned slightly uh, from the research 0.08 meter forward of the feet midpoint. This allows the batsman to quickly get in position of playing a back foot shot or a back lift is another important aspect of a cricket shot. It is important to hold the bat and let it remain in constant motion instead of lifting the bat while doing a back lift. Most professional cricketers rotate the wrist on the bottom hand more than the top hand's wrist. This suggests that the bat is used as a level and not simply lifted. It is thought that establishing a rhythm helps batters to be more accurate in their foot movements for timing to place themselves in the most stable position from which they play their shots. The most common movement for the batter is to move their back foot backward and across in front of the stumps to protect the stumps behind them. As you can see here, I am using my more of my bottom hand rather than using my top hand. Here I went back using my back foot, going back and then moving forward, distributing that weight evenly, and then performing the follow through. Here I'm keeping my both hands closer to the back hip so that the toe of the bed is at around the shoulder height or just below the shoulder height so that the bed is in a good position and my weight is distributed throughout my stance so that I'm in a good position to go backward and then go forward and then in the final step to perform a good follow through. Using the head to position and enable the transfer of the momentum to continue through the stroke and distribute the weight onto the front foot to maintain balance. In this video, you can see from the back angle, flexion of the front knee rise in the heels of the back foot to transfer from a stable base to the front foot. Moving on to the forward stride. The purpose of the forward stride while playing a front foot drive in cricket is to get the center of mass moving horizontally a moment before the impact point. As you can see in this video, my movement of the front foot uh, stride. In general, a successful batsman or a good batsman in cricket doing and taking decisive and appropriate foot movements that enable the optimal positioning from which a stable foundation can be generated to strike the ball. Follow through is another step of the front foot drive. The main purpose of the follow through to the front foot drive is to maintain balance throughout the shot and not interfere with the ball in its sport's impact trajectory. Follow through prevent injuries and it also transfer the momentum to continue through the stroke and distribute weight into the onto the front foot to maintain stable balance.